All right, everybody, we're going to practice a painting activity today, and we're going to be mixing up some different colors to create different types of colors that we might see on our different types of skin, so different skin colors. Now, when we mix different colors together to make a darker color or to make a lighter color, this is called value. So when a color changes from dark back to light, it's called changing its value. So you're going to start today with this worksheet, put your name on top. You have a paint tray at your table with a couple colors. You have black, white, brown, and peach. You have a water cup, a brush to mix with, a paper towel to clean your brush on, and a little mixing plate. This is where we're going to mix up some colors today. So the worksheet first says peach, white, and then light skin color. So that means peach plus white. So I'm going to take my brush, dip in my peach, and just paint this box right here that says peach all the way with just a peach color. So try your best to stay inside of the box and paint the whole box just a peach color. Now as I finish that, I'm going to dip in my water cup and then wipe on my rag to get all that color off. Make sure it's nice and dry and clean. Dip in my white. Now paint this whole box just white. Okay, now clean my brush off again, dip, dip, wipe, 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 dry, dry, dry. Now this last box here says light skin color. So that means I'm trying to make a color that looks like a lighter skin color. So that's peach plus white. So I will take a little bit of peach, put it on my mixing tray, wash my brush off, get all that peach away, dry it off, get a little bit of white. Make sure the piles are pretty much the same size, not a big glob and a tiny glob, but two little globs. Now I can mix these two colors together, and what I've just created is a really light skin color. So I'm adding white to the peach to make it lighter. That's changing its value. So I will take this light skin color peachy and color in my last box with that light peach color. See how it's a little bit lighter than this peach color right here? I changed its value. Okay, next boxes down here say brown. So I will dip my paintbrush in my brown. Paint this whole box brown. Next box says peach, so I'm going to clean my brush off again, dry it off, dip in the peach, paint this whole box peach. Now this last box here says medium skin color, so that means brown and peach mixed together. So I'll take my mixing plate again, get a little bit of brown, wash my brush off, dry it off, dry, dry, dry. And then I'll get a little bit of peach. Same size piles right next to each other, mix them up. And what I've just created is a medium skin color. If it looks a little bit too brownish, it didn't change color very much, that might mean that I didn't add enough peach. So let's try and add a little bit more peach to that. Okay, that's a nice medium skin color. It's a medium value of a brownish skin color, a little bit lighter than that dark brown that we painted in the first box. So because I added peach to this color, it changed its value. It made it a little bit lighter. So now I've made a little bit of a lighter skin color, but kind of still a little bit darker than the peach. Now next box says brown and black are going to make a dark skin color. So again, I'm going to paint one box brown, one box black, and the last box is brown plus black, so I need to get a little bit of black on my mixing palette, a little bit of brown, mix them together. I'm making a really nice dark skin color, a dark brown. If it's too black, that might mean I need to add a little bit more brown. There we go, a nice dark brown skin color. Okay, now the last boxes down here say light skin color, peach, medium skin color, brown, dark skin color. So I will look back at my worksheet. Remember what the light skin color was? Peach plus white. So paint this box peach plus white. This box is just peach. This box is a medium skin color, so that's brown plus peach. Next is just brown. Last box is dark skin color, so that's brown plus black. So when I finish, I should have colors from light to medium all the way to dark in a nice value scale. A scale from dark to medium, light to medium to dark. Okay?